Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for super easy to do PC wavy curly hair, then you are going to love this curling iron from Hoson. Using this curling iron is the easiest ever. I really love that it has that tourmaline ceramic coating, so it really makes curling feel easy but gentle at the same time. It never feels like my hair is dry after using this curling iron. Now, this curling iron does come with a glove, so you can be extra cautious while using it. But because of the length, it's really easy to use. I don't have super long hair, but because of the length of that curling iron, it's perfect for my short hair. The curling iron is easy to use. My hair never feels like it's dry after using it, and I get the styling that I want in a really short amount of time. If you're looking for super easy to do styles with a curling iron that works just as fast as your life is going, you definitely need to check this one out. It's probably the easiest curling iron I've ever used, and I'm super pleased with how much that it's helped my morning routine. And that's my point of view.